Welcome students. Dear students, as you know that due to COVID-19, our studies have affected, due to which CBSE has redesigned our syllabus. Okay, and CBSE has cut the topics in mathematics chapter, due to which the syllabus that we have become quite smaller. Okay, and if we talk about the mathematics, two chapters has been deleted completely. Okay. The chapter is Euclid geometry and areas of parallelogram. As you shown in the videos, here the deletion part is given on the right side. On the real number, what part is deleted? Also in algebra polynomial, what part deleted? And the coordinate geometry, no deletion. As you see in the video, how many topics are removed from this. Okay, if you talk about the number system, it is 8 marks, and the algebra is 17 marks, and coordinate geometry is 4 marks, geometry is 28, and mensuration is 13 marks, and statistics and probability is 10 marks. Okay, what we have studied in the real number, it is given here 1 2 3 4 topics. In the real number, review of representation of natural numbers we have studied, and rationalization, and law of exponents with integral powers. In the real number, we remove or CBSE remove the magnification of the number line. Okay, and the linear equation in two variables, you see here what topics we have study for further examination. And in the coordinate geometry, you also see the Cartesian plane, coordinates of the points, names, and the terms associated we have studied in the coordinate geometry. Okay, and the lines and angles, there is no any deletion in the lines and angles. Okay, triangles, in the some deletions, some theorems are deleted here. Okay, in the deletion part, you also see the what deleted. Okay, in the quadrilateral, you have see that some topics are removed here. If you talk about the quadrilaterals, oh no, there is no any removal of topics in the quadrilateral. Okay, in the circle part, 2 or 3 topics are removed. Okay, and the area of a parallelogram chapter is totally removed. And here is the mensuration and the area of Heron's formula, by the Heron's formula. In this topic, area of triangle using Heron's formula without proof, only we have studied about it. And statistics and probability, you see that what we have learned. Okay, and then after we have discussed about the lab manual. After discussing about the your syllabus, let us see the internal assessments numbers of mathematics. That means internal assessment in mathematics we have marks of 100 marks. Okay, and in this 100 marks, 80 marks are come from your book for written, exam, and 20 marks is for internal assessment. And this 20 marks is also divided into 3 parts, and these parts are: number 1 is pen paper test. Okay, pen paper test and multiple assessment. Pen paper test and multiple assessment. In this we have a 10 marks. Okay, and the second one is portfolio. This one is for 5 marks, and the last one is lab practical. The last one is lab practical, and this one is for 5 marks. The total 20 marks is for internal assessment in mathematics. In the paying paper test, school conduct 2 or 3 or 4 unit test, and in the portfolio we have discussed about the portfolio. In that means in the most of the subject we have a different type of activity, or in the class activity, and teacher judge the students and they give marks for portfolio. And the lab practicals, in the lab practicals, if we study lines and angles in mathematics chapter, then we apply the concept of the lines and mathematics and solve some practical questions in the lab manual book. Okay, and a lab practical for 5 marks is divided in half yearly or final exam. For half yearly exam we have to completed 5 lab manual, and for half year final exam we have to completed 5 lab manuals. Okay, then in the next video we discuss about the lab manual and their practicals. Okay, today I am going to just show you which lab manual is preferred in the school. This one, the speed mathematics lab manual. Okay, as per the latest CBSE curriculum, all of you students please buy from the shop, and here you see that in the lab manual 27 activities are in the lab manual, but we have to complete only 10 activities, and before half yearly examination we have to complete only 5 lab activities. Okay, then after in the next video we just solve 1 or 2 activities from this activity book. Okay, and if you not done in your lab manual book, then you cannot get the 5 marks of lab practical and portfolio numbers also. Okay, then all of you this purchase from your from market. Okay, in the next video we discuss about the lab activity or related terms. Okay, as we know that our syllabus is reduced. Okay, my dear students, as you know that due to the coronavirus our studies have affected. Okay, so due to which CBSE has redesigned our syllabus, and CBSE has cut the topics, and in the class 9 we have already studied 2 or 3 chapters. Okay, and if we talk about the mathematics, the 2 chapters has been also removed. Okay, in the previous class videos we have discussed about that topic, but no doubt in the next videos or next lessons we have discussed about only that topic which CBSE has prescribed in their syllabus. Okay, तो अभी हम लोग को क्या करना है कि प्रीवियस जो भी हम लोग पढ़े हैं उसका यूजेज हमें होगा ही होगा, तो उसे हम क्या करेंगे, कॉपी में नोट करेंगे। देन आफ्टर जो रिड्यूस सिलेबस है उसको यूज़ करके अब आगे का टॉपिक्स को हम लोग डिस्कशन करेंगे। और लैब मैनुअल जो हमारा है वो नेक्स्ट वीडियोज़ में हम लोग लैब मैनुअल्स को लैब के कॉपी में बनाने का कोशिश करेंगे, जिससे क्या हो कि सितंबर में अगर या अगस्त में हमारा स्कूल खुलता है और हाफ ईयरली एग्ज़ाम होता है तो ईजिली वे में आपको जो है लैब प्रैक्टिकल का नंबर्स आपको वहाँ पर मिलेगा। अदरवाइज ये लैब इंटरनल असेसमेंट में आप अगर फेल होते हैं तो होल पूरे मैथमेटिक्स में आप फेल हो सकते हैं या नंबर आपको नहीं मिलेगा, तो आपके बाकी नंबर्स पे भी इफेक्टेड होंगे, जैसे 10 मार्क्स या 5 मार्क्स है, इसमें भी नंबर जो होता है इंटरनल असेसमेंट का होता है। तो आपको ये बुक जो है परचेज कर लेनी है जितनी जल्दी से जल्दी हो सके। आफ्टर 5 और 6 डेज मैं इसके फर्स्ट एक पॉइंट को या फिर टॉपिक को डिस्कस करूंगा और उसे बताऊंगा कि कैसे सॉल्व करना है आपको इस कॉपीज़ में। ऑल ऑफ यू स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी डन दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटी इन क्लास 8, तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। तो जो टॉपिक हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं उसी टॉपिक को हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इसमें बनाने का कोशिश करते हैं। और हम लोगों ने सिलेबस को बहुत ध्यान से देखा है, बहुत सारे चीज़ों को इसमें हटाया गया है। बट इन द मैथमेटिक्स एक दूसरे से सारे लिंक होते हैं, तो कुछ ऐसे टॉपिक्स होंगे जो हटाने के बावजूद हम लोग को डिस्कशन करना पड़ेगा, जिसके कारण नेक्स्ट टॉपिक से वो लिंक होगा। ओके, तो नेक्स्ट वीडियोज़ में हम लोग जो है इस लैब मैनुअल के एक्टिविटीज़ को सॉल्व करेंगे। सो आपसे फर्दर रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप इस लैब मैनुअल को परचेज कर लीजिए, क्योंकि विदाउट दिस लैब मैनुअल हम लोग लैब एक्टिविटीज़ को सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो आपको लैब एक्टिविटीज़ को सॉल्व करने के लिए उसमें कंटेंट्स को लिखना पड़ेगा, उसमें पेजेस के रिक्वायरमेंट होते हैं, जिसका यूज़ आपको इस बुक से ही करना पड़ेगा। ओके, तो नेक्स्ट वीडियोज़ में हम लोग जो है लैब मैनुअल से रिलेटेड या फिर फर्दर जो हम लोग कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री चैप्टर्स को कंप्लीट नहीं किए हैं उससे रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स को हम लोग क्या करेंगे, डिस्कशन करेंगे। और आप लोग जो हैं वो ध्यान से अपने सिलेबस को ईजिली वे में देख लीजिए कि हमें क्या पढ़ना है या नहीं पढ़ना है। ठीक है, तो टॉपिक्स जो भी रिमूव्ड हुए हैं, विच चैप्टर हैज़ बी रिमूव्ड, एंड वी विल टॉक अबाउट in next videos. Okay, thank you.